Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to the crew. It's your boy Cyrano, and in today's video we're going to take a look at the Google Pixel A series buds, and the unboxing experience is pretty straightforward. They have a nice ergonomic fit with the added hook attachment, the type C to type A, which is really useful. I'll be using that for my Google Pixel 6, and the instruction manual as well as some extra ear tips do come along with the earbuds, and I find that these were a really good build, and everything of that nature is really easy, straightforward pairing process as well, which didn't require too many steps. Just download the Google Buds app if you're not using a Pixel phone, and you will be able to have that animation when you open up the lid, which I thought was a nice touch to the experience overall. You get the battery indication of the earbuds as well as the battery life of the case, and a firmware update will be included in the package right out of the box. So I thought that was pretty cool. They will also let you know how they fit when you're actually putting them in, and you can choose from all three different ear tips, and I did choose the larger size because my ears tend to have a lot more space to fill when you're putting the earbud in. So the pairing process is pretty straightforward. The setup was really easy, and unboxing them was really cool as well. But these were released on June 2021, so relatively they're Google's newest accessory out of their audio lineup, which is definitely going to be really popular because they did provide a bundle deal when you did pre-order the Google 6 or 6 Pro, where you could get the Google Buds A series along with your purchase, which are normally $100, but people were able to get these in the deal. And I did see a lot of people selling their Pixel earbuds out of the bundle, but before you do sell them, or you should definitely try these out, because when I was listening to these and testing out the audio quality, I was really impressed overall. And I'm going to get into some more detail about the Google Pixel Series A earbuds. But do me a favor, if you're enjoying the content so far, truly appreciate you for coming through. If you're new, do me a favor, hit both the like and the subscribe button, and get notified for more videos just like this. And let's just jump right back into the overall fit of these earbuds. And I can't stress how good they feel, because it has that hook on the top, which is going to pretty much lock in your ear. So any movements or during any activities when you're using these, it'll be pretty cool. And the built-in app is cool because it does have in-ear detection. So if you take those out, the music will pause automatically. It also does have double tap to skip forward, triple tap to skip back, and pause and play. And definitely did like the overall fit of these with that hook, which is going to lock onto the top of my ear automatically, so they won't be moving around whatsoever. Not a lot of readjustments are needed with these earbuds, because they're going to have that snug glove-like fit when they're inside of your ear. So I definitely recommend these for the fit overall, because they just have that really nice ergonomic design, and they're a really good one-handed pair of earbuds. And when I say that, I mean, like, if you take these out of a pocket with one hand, you could easily put both earbuds in with one hand, because the lid will open up with the snap of a finger, and you can just twist those into place. And these are going to offer 5 hours runtime, and they do have built-in mics as well, and they do have Google Assistant support, which is very intuitive with these Google A series buds that I have to mention. Noise cancellation is a feature that these do have, as well as wireless charging that requires type C cord, and they do have a rechargeable battery, which is going to charge up really nice and quick. So you could definitely take these out with one hand. That's all is needed to put these in. And I really do like the fact that the case pops open extremely easy when you're going to put the earbuds in. And what I wanted to talk about next was the touch controls, because those touch controls are going to be extremely user friendly. It's not going to be like some other earbuds where you have to kind of struggle to find the sensor on the directed area of the touch control. But once you find that touch area, it's really easy to press onto, because the surface area of the sensor is going to be very wide open, and it's going to basically be very responsive. So I did like the fact that these do have that easy to touch control feature, right? Because that's going to be definitely pretty cool. Now, these will also offer 24 more hours with the included charging case, along with the 5 hours playback time. And like I said before, you can get up to 5 hours with the listening to music, but you can up to 2.5 continuous hours of talk time with the included charging case, and up to 12 of continuous playback. So I think that's pretty cool that these do offer a wide variety of features. The battery life is really good with that 5 hours, and with the case they add an extra 24. And these are going to have some really good sensors inside of these earbuds too, because one of the things you're going to notice is that with these earbuds, they're going to also offer a nice fit in the pocket. So it's got like that Easter egg shape to it. Also, the overall intuitive of the controls is really straightforward, because if you want to long hold for like 3 seconds on the earbud, it's going to actually trigger the Google Assistant to tell you a command, and then you just tell it the command and it will read your notifications as well. It will adjust the volume. If you tell Google Assistant to adjust the volume, it can read you the news. It can play songs, skip back and forth just with the voice control feature. And one of the things that I did note is that with that ear hook, even if you put on a shirt or like somebody swipes your ear or something like that, these won't fall out. So I did like the fact that these have extremely good build quality, as well as a really ergonomic case as well. So like I said, they did a really good job designing the case and the way that the earbuds are placed inside of the case. With that button on the back, you can actually reset and pair it along to another phone if you hold it for 5 seconds, which is going to be really useful for switching from one device to the next. And it's going to have extremely crystal clear microphones, which I'll get into in just a second. But like I said, that stabilizer arc keeps them in the place during workouts and things of that nature. And I'm going to let you guys hear the microphones for yourself so you could be the judge of that. But just check out this quick audio sample. It's very high quality sound, and it's really good to listen to. Hey, what's going on, guys? So this is an audio sample from the Google Pixel Buds, the A series. Let me know how the microphones do come out. Now I'm going to put the basketball game on in the background. So now the basketball game is playing in the background, and the basketball game is playing in the background. Let me know how that sounds. Let me know if you can hear anything in the background. But I'm going to turn the volume back down now. Okay, so this is how it would sound with the Pixel A series buds without the background noise. So let me know how the microphones sound all around. Now I kind of want to jump into the way that the sound is on these earbuds. They're Bluetooth 5.0. They will have a really impressive sound when you're listening to bass, because inside of the settings for the Google Buds application is going to have an EQ mode, which will basically make these a little bit louder. Also, we'll have a bass boost option as well. So you'll be able to hear that, and it'll kind of kick in. So when the bass hits, it actually sticks around for like quite some time, and then it goes away. But it comes and it goes with the perfect amount of time where you can actually appreciate the bass a lot more, because that bass is gonna come and then it's gonna stay around for a hot minute, and then it's gonna leave. But like I said before, the bass, the treble, I was impressed with that feature, because when I was listening to, like, you know what I'm saying, let's say I was listening to hip hop, you could hear that bass kind of come in, and then you can hear the snares along with it, and all of the other things like of that nature. Like definitely had a nice variety of sounds and instruments that blended together really well. And even in the mids and highs, it did sound extremely good blended together. So these are basically engineered very well for ideal sound quality, and it's going to be good for even hip hop, freestyle music. It's definitely going to be good for house music, alternative rock, and all types of different sound signatures that you're accustomed to loving on your pair of earbuds. So it's not going to be like limited when it comes to the type of music you could listen to. You could listen to podcasts, you could listen to, bass heavy tracks, and you will be able to enjoy it. And they do run a proximity sensor, hall sensor, and motion detection, as well as accelerometer technology inside of these earbuds as well. So the stereo sound, along with the 0.5-inch diaphragm inside, is going to be an in-ear fit, and it's going to be wireless Bluetooth 5.0, like I said, and they're going to just have this ergonomic shape to them, along with that arc stabilizer, which is going to help them stay in your ear very well. And the overall experience of me listening to these earbuds, I was actually pleasantly surprised, and I didn't know what to expect, because I never had tried Google Pixel earbuds before. But the only thing that I could say is that if you like to work out, these will be cool, because they're sweat resistant and water resistant as well. So they're pretty cool, and they don't stick out when you put them in your ears. So you could actually lay down with these and fall asleep, and with that arc stabilizer, you could pretty much wake up out of sleep with these still in. They won't be like scattered across your sheets and everything of that nature. But I do like the fact that they do have noise cancellation mics. It has a really nice one-handed feel of the lid. That was probably like my favorite part. Really easy, really straightforward to open up and close with one hand, and put in with one hand in case you had like a phone in the other. But like I said before, these are going to offer a really good experience if you're the type of person who appreciates feature-packed earbuds at a really affordable price with really deep bass and really good sound quality. But overall, I did like these. But I'm going to get right back at you. Show up in the comment section, answer your questions, and I truly appreciate you for coming through. Later, crew. Peace.